Hey guys, it's Kay, I hope you're all well. Amazon are really ramping up the updates for their Fire TV devices before the end of the year. Now if you haven't heard already, there's been a new update to the Fire TV Cube, and you'll see they are pretty major updates. Now what we're getting in the latest update is improved upscaling as well as DTS, Dts HD and Dolby True HD audio pass-through in the latest software update. If you're new to the channel and you want to stay up to date with the latest tech tutorials, reviews and unboxings, I do everything including Fire Stick, Raspberry Pi and Android TV tips and tricks, so subscribe and hit the notification button. Now it's worth pointing out here, this update is apparently only being pushed to the 3rd generation Fire TV Cube, which of course is the latest version out. As of yet it's unclear if it's coming to the older versions of the TV Cube, so just hold on tight guys. So like I mentioned earlier, the larger part of this update is to do with the audio output of the Fire TV Cube. But in this software version 7.613, we're also getting major improvements to the super resolution upscaling feature, which makes your non-4K content look considerably sharper. Now this super resolution upscaling feature on the 3rd gen Fire TV Cube is similar to Nvidia's AI upscaling feature on their latest Shield TV and their Shield TV Pro. They both kind of do the same thing. Using AI technology, they both make lower resolution video look even better on 4K TVs. But recent reviews of Amazon's super resolution upscaling feature were not positive, and reviewers found that it did little or nothing to the actual picture. So part of this update aims to fix that and make a bigger difference in the picture quality when upscaling from the standard version. Now as mentioned earlier, Amazon's added support for DTS, Dts HD and Dolby HD audio pass-through. So with these new audio formats, you don't have to change any settings on your device, as the new software update will automatically enable pass-through for these formats. So guys, it looks like Amazon are currently rolling out these updates to devices region by region. Let me know in the comments below if you've got this update yet. And what do you think about it guys? Is there a major improvement in sound and quality of video? Anyway guys, that's me signing out for this video. If you found this video helpful, give us a like and maybe consider subscribing, and I'll see you all in the next one.